Ever wondered what goes into making that fizzy, delightful drink we all love, soda? Well, let's dive into the bubbly world of soda production and uncover its secrets together. One of the biggest challenges in soda production is finding the perfect balance of flavours and carbonation levels. It's a delicate dance that can make or break the taste of your favourite soda. Soda, or as some call it, pop or soft drink, starts with the most basic ingredient, water. But this isn't just any water, it's typically filtered several times to ensure it's absolutely pure. Next up, it's time to add the bubbles. Carbon dioxide is injected into the water under high pressure, creating that signature fizz. This process is known as carbonation, and it's what gives soda that irresistible pop when you crack open a can. But what about the sweet taste and the colour? This is where the magic happens. Manufacturers mix in various flavourings from classic cola to wild cherry, and of course, a sweetener. This could be sugar, high fructose corn syrup, or even artificial sweeteners for those diet versions. By the way, which team are you, Dr. Pepper or Mountain View? Tell us in the comments and stay tuned till the end to find out what the US searched for the most in the last year. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more cool insights into everyday things. Now here's a fun part. Colouring. Yes, that distinctive look of each soda comes from added colours, which are carefully selected to match the flavour. For example, caramel colour is a common choice for colas, giving them their iconic dark brown hue. But that's not all. To keep soda tasting great and safe to drink, preservatives are added. These ensure that your favourite drink stays fresh from the factory all the way to your fridge. Finally, after a thorough mixing and some quality checks, the soda is bottled or canned in super clean environments. These containers are then sealed tightly to keep the fizz in and contaminants out. And there you go, that's how soda is made, ready to be shipped off to stores and vending machines near you. So next time you sip your favourite carbonated drink, remember the fascinating journey it went through to hit your taste buds. According to Google, Dr. Pepper is the most searched soda in the US this past year, after Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Now tell us, which part of the soda making process surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below.